Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. I know it has been a couple of days since you have heard from me. Not to worry, friends, your girl is all good. Thank you so much for those of you who reached out. I really appreciate it, but I am hoping to get back into the regular swing of things and get back to my regular uploading. So not to worry, friends, you're gonna be seeing a whole lot more of my mugs. So another thing happened this week, you guys. I'm so excited. We reached our first little milestone here on YouTube. We reached 10,000 subscribers. I'm so appreciative of you guys for your love and support on this channel, on this journey, because I never thought that this would be what it is, and to be able to connect and build the relationships that I've been able to build with you guys. I love you guys so much. So thank you so much for the continued love and support that you guys give to us here on our channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and talk about what we have been getting through, because we have been getting through some things this week, friends. We'll go ahead and start with the oils, because I was a good girl 2 weeks in a row and remembered some oils. So I was really, because of all the fires happening all along the whole West Coast, basically, I've just been kind of wanting, in terms of the diffusing preferences, I've been wanting more fresh, clean, a little more herbal, rather than fruity, heavy, spicy. But you'll see I've gotten into some other things here in wax form. But let's talk about oils. So one of the oils that I was diffusing this week was jasmine white tea. And this is really nice. It's an herbal kind of floral, but it's really nice and just light and clean and pretty. And that's kind of the vibe that you will see here in terms of what oils I was reaching for this week. So one staple that has to stay in the Rowberry house for all time is the Twinkle Twinkle oil. And this one is really nice, especially if you are, like, this just makes me feel really comfortable. I don't know if that's comforted. Like, it's got that kind of herbal, but it's also sweet and just relaxing. I just really like this. This oil just makes me just feel really nice and relaxed, and I just love this, especially in our bedroom. Really nice. So love Twinkle Twinkle. I actually have a couple of bottles of this, just because I don't ever want to like forget and run out and not have like a backup. Another oil that we were enjoying this week is Sea Salt and Lotus. Another really light, clean oil fragrance. Really nice though. Love this. Like I said, I know I'm like sounding like a broken record with all of these, but that's just what I was feeling like this week. I just wanted light, clean, herbal. And this is the same aloe geranium. This one's really nice as well. And this one, I feel like you can just dump a ton of oil in this in your diffusers, and you're not going to oversaturate or have it be too strong. I would say if you are someone who you're really sensitive to fragrances, if they can be kind of headache inducing, the oil diffusers are a really great way to go, because it's lighter than wax and warmer, so it's not going to be necessarily room filling. Well, it depends on the size of the room. These, our oil diffusers actually do pretty well, especially the deluxe diffuser when that's going in the office. If I don't have any other warmers on, I can definitely pick up what that one is diffusing. So that's a much larger reservoir, but this one I just feel like you could dump the whole bottle into a diffuser and it's not going to be too strong. It's just nice and clean and sweet, and I just really like that. So those were the oils that we were getting through over last week. We also got through some laundry products. So Amazon Rain, you guys know how much we love our Scentsy laundry line. It's so good. And I got into a little bit of trouble because I didn't realize I didn't have any backups of my Amazon Rain. We, here in the Rowberry house, we like several different fragrances for the laundry line. So we have Jammy Time, we have Amazon Rain, we have Lavender Cotton, we also have Windowsill Breeze now as well, and we have Pink Cotton. So like, I may see that, like, I may miss that Amazon Rain is needing a backup. So I had to order ASAP because this is Sean's favorite for the clothes. We have plenty of laundry products, but his favorite is Amazon Rain, so I was almost fired. So Sean actually, speaking of Sean, he actually got through a body wash of Blue Grotto. This is his favorite. Now, I will say the Blue Grotto body products are no longer, but you can still get this scent in wax form. But when this was being discontinued, he was like, I'm gonna need the Blue Grotto in the body wash, the hand cream, the body cream. He's like, I'm gonna need that in like the truckload. So we got it. It should last him probably through this season. Hopefully it'll come back for spring and summer next year. Okay, I also got through a bathroom cleaner of Lemon Verbena. What I will say with our bathroom cleaners as well as our counter cleans right now, honestly, with any of the cleaners, I would save these sprayers right now. Scentsy is having a little bit of a supply issue. So a lot of the counter cleans, bathroom cleaners, anything that requires a sprayer, they are being sent without sprayers. Now, it is also noted on the website, and they are discounted for the ones that they're having issues with these the sprayers. So I'm keeping all of my sprayers. I'll just recycle the bottle, but it's always good. And also, really good little tip here. So the bathroom cleaner sprayer looks a little bit different, and this sprays out like a foam. You can absolutely use this sprayer if you like the foam consistency in the counter clean. It works just the same. The only difference is that the bathroom cleaner is a little different formulation, more geared towards soap scum. So that's kind of the differences there, but got through that. Also got through a dish soap in Go-Go Mango. Love this stuff. I basically love everything in Go-Go Mango. The wax is kind of a womp womp for me, only because it's really super light, but I love this fragrance so much. I love it in all the things. It's so, so good. Dish soap, amazing. So got through that. Now, let's talk about wax, because I got some things, friends. So I was so proud of myself. I'm making a little goal for myself to get through 1 brick a week. Now, that's not saying I'm going through the entire brick, but these, I have a lot of bricks that are partially used, so I want to like use them up because there's something so satisfying about going through a brick. It's amazing. This one was from, I believe it was last year, when we had a summer brick event that was, the fragrances were inspired by cocktails. It was so fun. So I actually decided to go through the last little bit I had of Strawberry Daiquiri Disco. And this is good. I mean, it's not my favorite. I am happy to be through this. It smells like a strawberry daiquiri. So it is that more like artificial, almost like strawberry fruit punch kind of scent. So definitely fun. I'm happy that I have gotten through it though, for sure. Okay, let's talk about some other things here. I did decide I am in the mood for pumpkin. It is still really hot outside, but I'm ready for pumpkin. So I decided to get through 2 of my bars of pumpkin cinnamon swirl. I love this. This is probably my favorite pumpkin spice bakery kind of scent. Oh, I love this so much. There is this scent and there's also pumpkin roll. This scent, the pumpkin cinnamon swirl, has more of a vanilla finish on the back end that the pumpkin roll does not. Pumpkin roll is just like a pumpkin cinnamon roll. So good. But I love the little vanilla touch that this one has. So good. What else did we get through? I also got through, did I get through 2 of these? Yes, I did. I got through 2 bars of hazelnut frosting. This is one of my favorite fall time fragrances for sure. It is rich. It is buttery. It is decadent. I love the hazelnut that comes out in this. And it's an amazing performer. Crazy, crazy strong. Love this one so much. It's great on its own. It's also amazing as a mixer as well. But I enjoyed that all on its own. I also got through a bar of Candy Dandy. This one was actually a part of a springtime collection, which was, it was nice. This is really crazy light, so I did decide to warm this in our bedroom, but it was nice. Okay, let's see what other bars we got through here. So I also got through a bar of By the Sea. I was definitely craving some of that like fresh, clean kind of scent with all the smoke going on out here on the West Coast. I was kind of, like I said, kind of craving that clean kind of scent. So By the Sea is kind of my go-to for that clean, fresh type home fragrance because it's just so nice. I love this. The performance on this is really, really good. And it just smells like salty sea air. It's so nice, so refreshing. Ugh, and I love this. This is another one that I like to just have on hand all the time just because when I am in a pinch and I just feel like I really want to just have something that just smells just fresh and clean. Not fruity, not bakery, just fresh and clean. This is kind of my go-to. I love it. So I also got through a bar of Pacific Sandalwood. Oh, I love this one. This one was from the International Wax Collection, excuse me, that Scentsy did. I'm so happy that they did this collection specifically for this scent. Now this scent, along with a few others from that collection, did make their way into my Scentsy club, but this is by far my favorite. It is so beautiful, total perfect bedroom scent. It's sweet. There is like an amber musky note to this, but it also has that like sandalwood. I love it. Oh, I love it. So good. Okay, I also got, oh, this one was a womp. I got through a bar of Echo, and this is one of the ones that I didn't even let it die out in my warmers. I actually popped this into our warmers in the bedroom last night. And for those of you who love this, I'm really, really sorry. You're probably going to want to hit me upside the head. But this, it just smells very masculine, very cologne-y. And I thought, okay, well, I don't tend to go towards those types of fragrances. But if I have it, then I'll enjoy it in the bedroom. I feel like that's a more fitting like bedroom scent. It's crazy strong for one. Crazy, crazy strong. So I had this going in the bedroom and Sean even said, I probably would have let this completely die out in our warmers, except Sean this morning was like, whatever you have happening upstairs. He was like, that it's too much. I can't. And I was like, okay, good. Because I am actually ready to take this out of my warmers. And so I did. I switched it out. Let me tell you what I switched it out to. So what is going throughout the upstairs right now to take place of Echo? Like I said, sorry for those of you who really, really love it. I hope you have it added to your club. I hope that me wasting it was not like cringeworthy for you. But so I decided, okay, I want something fall, but kind of fresh. I don't want like a ton of spice, but I want something like fall fresh. So normally my go-to for fall fresh would be like cider mill, but I was like, no, I'm gonna do this. So what I have going throughout the upstairs right now is a little mixture here of apples and oats, as well as apple and cinnamon sticks. So apple and cinnamon sticks tends to be a little bit too cinnamon forward for me. It is very, very cinnamon forward, but it is that more, it's not like red hot candy cinnamon, like hot tamales or anything. It's like fresh cinnamon sticks, and then apple is just kind of an afterthought. So what I thought would be really nice, because apples and oats is apples, you do have that grainy kind of note from the oats, but no spice. So I felt like this will be a good combination because you don't have the spice here. It'll probably mellow out the spice here, and it does. It's perfect. So like I said, apple and cinnamon sticks is not one that I tend to purchase a lot of, but I had it in my collection and I thought, I do want to get through this, but I want to make it so that it's tolerable for me. So doing this mixture was really, really nice. Okay, we've got 3 more bars, friends. So I got through a bar of Love and Kisses Mini. This one is no longer available, but she is in my club because I love this scent so much. It's peaches and vanilla, and it is so nice. I love that. It's sweet and pretty and fruity, and it's really nice. I also got through a bar of Love and Happiness. This one was my bar of the week that I was like, oh, it's gonna make me sad to go through this, but it felt good. So, oh gosh. Love and Happiness is so pretty. It's like a perfume. It's so hard to describe. It's sweet, it's feminine, it's kind of perfumey. I do miss this one a lot, but I'm proud of myself for getting through it. All right, and last but not least, I got through a bar of apple cherry strudel. I do love this one. If this does ever retire, I will happily put it into my Scentsy Club. By the way, if you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel and you don't know what Scentsy Club is a subscription service that Scentsy offers for all of our consumable products. I will link a couple of videos down below if you are not aware of what Scentsy Club is. This scent is so nice. Totally perfect for this time of year, just like after summer, getting ready for fall, and you're reaching for those apple fragrances. If you are a bakery lover, you have to try this. It is so good. It is sweet apple. You get a little bit of sweetness from cherry, but cherry is not the predominant note in my opinion. It's more of an apple strudel. So you get that buttery kind of crust note to this, and it's so nice. What I will say, performance on this one, it doesn't last crazy long, but when it is going, it's nice and strong. I love it. So I did get through a bar of apple cherry strudel, and I was so happy I did. So, so good. All right, friends, that is it. That is our bin of empties, or what we have been getting through over the last week. Let me know in the comments what you have been getting through. Did you do some mixing? What are your thoughts? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.